Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed about jute factory in our country. Today we are going to study about sugar industry in our country. It is agro-based industry because the raw material which is used in sugar factory comes from the farming sugarcane. We utilize sugarcane for making sugar. In our country, in 2010-11, there was 662 sugar factory. In present time, Uttar Pradesh is the most important sugar producing area of our country, India. 60% of factories are there in Uttar Pradesh. Most of our states which produces sugar are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat. In present time, there is a shifting of sugar industry from north to south, mainly in Maharashtra. Because in Maharashtra, cooperative industries are doing their work, performing their work very nicely. This is a cooperative sector in which the farmer and the sugar producer, they depend on each other. This is a seasonal industry, and the northern plain area in which Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, these all area comes. In this area, in summer season, the summer season is very harsh, too much heat is there. But in Maharashtra, they are near to the coastal area. That is why more humidity is there in that area, and the sucrose of the sugar cane do not rise, its amount do not comes less, because sugar cane is very heavy, and it should be carried from the farmer's farm to the industry, and it takes too much time to reaching the industry, and it dries in the way, and the amount of sucrose becomes less. That is why the more concentration of the sugar industry is there in Maharashtra, and with the cooperation of farmer and the producer, they are producing sugar. India is first in making gur and khansari in the world, but the production of sugar is only sufficient for our domestic use. In this way, we can see that it is seasonal industry, and after some times there is a break, the supply of raw material not available for making sugar for some time, for some month. This is seasonal. That is why cooperative or cooperation of manufacturer and the raw material supplier is required here. Students, now we are going to study about mineral based industries. In this we will study about different industries which run on mineral, like iron ore smelting industries, the industries which are mainly different type of minerals are used as a raw material for making the valuable thing or modifying the things, the natural things. It may be metallic or non-metallic. About that we will study in mineral based industries.